are the Tribu from Mindanaoan Cultural Dance Troupe, a village showcasing Mindanaoan culture. And reminder to all of our guests that later at 5 p.m. onwards, we will have our car show at Tribu from Mindanaoan Bantawan area that is located behind Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo. But this time, you will witness a glimpse of the indigenous dances of Mindanao. Pangalang native to the Bajau, sometimes known as the Sea Gypsies. A pangala is the dance that emphasizes the agility of the upper body, the rhythmic bounce of the shoulder, and simultaneous alternating waving of arms are the basic movements of this dance. A pangala is commonly performed at weddings and other social gatherings. Once again, we start Pangalay dance. The thousand Muslim dance. These dance moves spaces of diversity. The meaning of it seems believed to refer to Haji Leonel, the first lady of Sulu. Let's get and start the young dance of Thousand.
Dan, ikaw, Shan. Shantali. Ikaw. Siya take 0.5. Shan.
Feel the breeze of the natural world and be amazed with the works of nature. Welcome to Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, working with nature for a better future. Let us now witness the parade of the animal ambassadors.
Mag-live ka na to sa Facebook. Aw. Aw, di ay. O, di ay. Ay, Len! Ipasa na gawin sa ako, ate. Ipasa na sa ako niya. Wala pa. Le! Chloe!
A round of applause for the parade of the animal ambassadors. Good afternoon, everyone. Hi. Alam mo ka walang energy. Oh, hello. Hi. One more palawe. Hello. Ayun, mabuhay. Malayaw po. Welcome to Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, working with nature for a better future. My name is Kuya Boy, and I am your animal. Joke lang, eh, talaga. Sige po, my name is Kuya Boy. I'm your host, and this is your Keeper Talk. Now, I have some background information about Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo. Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo is a private rescue center for endangered and wild animals. And we have been preserving these animals since 2005.